mate.
Alright.
Squad, not the granny out of it. Smash it, son.
I'll give you a copy.
You've got another cigarette by any chance? You're trying to be.
Yeah. Hang on, can I position that up there?
Yeah, that's what's cocking him, isn't he? Come on, lad. He's sharing it or not? He's sharing it or not? You're not going to share it then, no?
Hey, get out my van! Get out my van now! Mate, you cunt!
Hey,
I'll kick you in the foot! I'll kick you in the teeth!
He's telling me I've got a small cock, I don't believe him. Is that small?
Squaddy, you share it. You're for sharing.
That's a small, is it? It can be small, can it?
Squaddy, you up for sharing, aren't you?
Squaddy, what you doing? Squaddy!
She's up for sharing. She knows she wants a cock in her mouth.
I bet you never told her he's got clap.
You got a fag in here?
Flat out, mate. Flat out. Squaddy, you up for sharing or what?
You cunt!
Hey.
That was my
I'm going to
drink!
knock you fucking out in a minute.
You what? What? You up for sharing?